Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today, I will be sharing with you my 5-minute makeup challenge. This makeup routine is also very suitable for busy persons if you are always in a rush, but you have to look put together, you have to look your best self, you have to look like you slept for 8 to 10 hours the previous night, then this makeup routine is very suitable for you. I will be doing my makeup in 5 minutes. So I will be using a timer, actually my cell phone. I don't know if you can see it in the screen, but yep, that's 5 minutes. And I am going to start now. So wish me luck. Okay, starting now. So for any makeup routine, don't forget to wear your moisturizer and sunscreen. So it's really better if you use a moisturizer and sunscreen in one. Doesn't really wear makeup, then you can just go out with just sunscreen, right? And then for base, just use a little bit of foundation and just use my fingers to blend this in my skin. I just put this in areas where I need coverage, like my acne marks. I just use my hands most of the time. For concealer, I'll be using a little bit under my eyes for brightness, bridge of the nose, and then a little on my eyelids, and here in the forehead, and then the chin, and somewhere around here. And I'll be using my brush for this because it's faster. Of course, we won't forget the brows. To set this, of course, with powder. And then a little bit of bronzer. I'm not really contouring on everyday makeup or on my busy makeup. I just want some color back in my face. And then next is blush. Just using a little bit across the nose, so it will look like I am a little sun-kissed. And then a little bit of highlight, kung kaya pa, on the high points of the face. Lipstick. And I'll be curling my lashes. lashes. And some mascara. And I have some 5 seconds and I'll put a little on my crease. Yung bronzer kanina. Oh, okay. Lampas lang ng konti. I guess I made it. So, this is my 5-minute makeup routine. If you guys have perfect skin, then I suggest you focus more of your time on other areas of your face like the eyes or the brows. Or if you don't have full brows, you can focus more of your 5 minutes doing your brows and then put on a little bit of blush and lipstick and then you can go. So make your 5 minutes suit your needs. I think that's how I can say it. I hope to see you in my next video. If you have any requests, comments, feel free to comment them down below and I will be really happy to get back to you on that. This is my 5-minute makeup challenge. Thank you again for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!